Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing a brand new card class for you to take. This one is the Blackberry Beauty, and as its name says, it features the Blackberry Beauty suite. Now, I love all the colors from the suite. Definitely, I mean, it got me when I saw all the purples in these, but also you can see that it has different color combinations that I would have never thought, right? Like the cinnamon cider with the Polish pink and the blackberry bliss, rich raspberries. I never thought about that color combination, but it goes really well. Definitely love the colors because it really reminds me of fall, and I think that's a great thing during this time frame, right? The other thing I want to make sure you knew is that the sentiments on these cards are really for encouragement. I love having cards that help us tell our loved ones that we are there for them, that we know it's kind of hard, but we are there, that we're encouraging them. So definitely, I love the sentiments from this stamp set. Let me just show you the stamp set from that is being featured. So this one is the Beauty of Tomorrow, and look at how beautiful those sentiments. One says, "I'm here for you." Some people are just likable. You are one of those people. I just love those two together. This one could be also as a sympathy. It says, "I know this is a difficult day," which I thought it could go well for a sympathy card, or one of those where they're having a rough time. So definitely, I love that sentiment a lot. And then this one is just the promise of better things coming up. So the changing of leaves reminds us that new wonders are just around the corner. I just thought that was very uplifting and very encouraging for someone that maybe are having a rough time. So definitely love the stamp set and the sentiments a lot. So anyway, but let's go over what's included on the two different options. As always, I have two options. One of them includes the make and take. One of the things that you need to know is that for this stamp, as you can see, there's 5 cards here, but you're actually going to be making 2 of each. So you're going to be getting 10 cards on the make and take kit. So you're going to be able to have, you're going to be able to make 10 cards, 2 of each of the different designs, when you take option 1. So option 1 includes the beautiful Blackberry Beauty, so half of a pack of the Blackberry Beauty Designer Series paper, which, as you can see, is the one that we use for these cards. You're also going to be getting a whole pack of the ephemera pack, which is this one. Love playing with this one. It made it so easy to come up with all the cards, and you have enough to be able to do 2 of each. And then it also has the shimmer ribbon in gold, which is this one. This is one of my favorites. I just love it's so thin, so very, I don't know, really great for bows and also for little accents, as you're going to be seeing here. So definitely a great ribbon. You're also going to be getting the make and take packet to do 10 cards, so all the materials will be there. And also you're going to be getting access to the PDF tutorial, which will have all the measurements for you to cut out the Designer Series paper, as well as the links to the video tutorials. I like doing video tutorials because I feel like I can give you more tips. You can see me exactly how I am doing all the different pieces from the card, rather than just typing instructions. For me, I think that I'm giving you a lot more value for your dollars. So that's option 1. Now option 1 cost $47 plus plus $8 shipping, and I also ship on a priority mail in a flat rate envelope, so usually it arrives between 2 to 3 days after I mail it. There's always a tracking number, and there's also insurance. So that's how it is. Now for the cards, right, you're gonna be needing, as we're gonna see, the Beauty of Tomorrow kit, right? The bundle, because you're gonna be cutting some of the leaves and the little birds, and then of course the sentiments come from this bundle. So you definitely need to have this bundle for the class, and I have included an option in this in the registration form where you can add it on, so that when I am mailing the kit, you can add on the stamp set. All right, so that's option 1. And one thing I want to make sure you know is that I cannot really be posting the link for the registration link. So please email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the registration link. Or the other thing is that you can be also on my mailing list. I'm going to be putting into the description of this video a link where it says stay in contact, like join my mailing list. And I think it's bit.ly / join or stay in contact with Ali. That way you get all my emails anytime I release a card class. All my email subscribers get the links of the registration, so they don't have to be coming back asking for the registration link. So you have two options right there. And then the option 2 is for those of you who already have the paper and the ephemera part, the ribbon, the cardstock. You want to cut everything yourself. You don't really need me to send you anything. And so you only need the instructions or the video tutorials. And that option is already available at my store. So you just go to creatingwithali.com / shop. And I also put here in the corner of the video a link to the page where you can get this specific tutorial. That option is $20. You just go to my shop again at creatingwithali.com / shop, and you purchase the tutorial, and right after you purchase it you get a downloadable link that you just click and start playing with all the products. So anyway, so that's it for today. I'm super excited. I hope to see you inside this class, and I can wait to see you there. Bye for now.